Hello students, in this video I'm going to explain point slope form. What's the rule of point slope form? It's y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. As you know, m is represent the slope. There's two type of question in this topic. Okay, the first one, the equation is given. They give us the equations. They ask for what? Slope and points. They ask for slope and form the points x1 and y1. Okay, let's solve some example. For example, here we have y minus 2 equals to negative 3x plus 6. What's the rule of point slope? The rule of point slope is y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Okay, m equals to what? M equals to negative 3. x1 equals to what? But be careful, here we have a very important notes. They say what? When you write the rules, okay, the point, remember that there is negative in the rule. Y minus y1, here we have negative, is equals to mx minus x1. So always write the point with the opposite sign. M is equals to what? M is the same, negative 3. But for x1, y1, you have to write the opposite sign. Here is x1, it's positive 6, so it will be negative 6. And this one is 2. Since we have 2 in the rule, negative in the rule, so we're going to change it to positive. It will be negative 6 and 2. Again, write the rule. Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. M equals to what? M equals to 7. x1 equals to what? It's negative. It will be positive 14. And this one, it's negative 8. So it will be positive 8. Okay, it's so easy. Again, write the rule of point slope. Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. M equals to what? As you can see here, we have negative 4. x1, y1 equals to what? x1, here we have, what's the opposite of negative 8? It's positive 8. Can I write positive 6? No, you have to change it to negative. So it will be 8 and negative 6. So always write the point in opposite sign, with opposite sign. Again, y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. M equals to what? M equals to 3 point. x1, y1 equals to what? x1 equals to positive 1.7 and y1 equals to negative 3.7. So changed positive to negative. Question 6. We have y minus 7 without writing the rule. Let's see. Okay, m equals to what? M here. So it's equals to 4. What about x1, y1? x1 equals to negative 3. y1 equals to what? Positive 7. Okay, so this note is very important. Write the point with the opposite sign. Okay, the second case, in this case, they give us slope and they give us the points. They ask for what? Put the slope and the points inside the rule. Y, they say what? Write the point slope. Okay, so we will say y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Y minus, this one it's x1, y1. Pay attention. y1 equals to what? It's equals to 6. M equals to what? 5. X equals to what? We don't have it. x1 is 0. That's it. But in this case, if they ask for what? If they give us the slope and 2 points as x1, y1, and they ask for what? Slope intercept. Slope intercept. You have to continue. How? We have what? Y minus 6 is equals to 5x minus 0. We studied this case in 3. Okay. Okay, so 5, it's distributive property. Y minus 6 equals to 5x minus 5 times 0, 0. Now move y to the other side. The equation must be written as y in slope-intercept. So y equals to 5x minus 0 plus 6. Y equals to what? 5x plus 6. Where we can say y equals to 5x plus 6 if in the questions they ask for what? For slope-intercept. But if they ask for what? For point slope, just solve it until here. Okay? Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Y minus y1 is what? 6. M is what? It's 5. That's it. Okay? Another example. They give us the slope and x1, y1. Let's see. Y minus y1 equals to mx minus x1. Y minus y1 equals to what? 7. Equals to m equals to what? Negative 8. X equals to what? We don't have it, but x1 it's negative, and with this negative, it will be positive. Positive what? Positive 11. Okay? In spiral review, they ask for what? What's the point slope? Look, point slope. What's the rule of point slope? Y minus y1 equals to m x minus x1. That's the parallel to what? Y equals to 3 out of 4 x minus 5. They give us this equations, it's slope-intercept, just to know what's the m. M is what? The coefficient of x, it's m. So m equals to what? 3 out of 4. And they give us x1, y1. So just put it in the rule. Y minus y1 is equals to mx minus x1. If you know which one is the m, directly you know the answer without solving. It's between A and D. Let's see which one is correct. Y minus y1 equals to what? It's 5. M equals to what? 3 out of 4. X minus x1 equals to what? It's equals to negative 16. With this negative, it will be positive 16. Which one is correct? So, D is correct. If you don't change 16 to positive, you made a mistake. Pay attention. There's only negative. There's only one difference between them. In this case, we have negative. In this case, we have positive. And this one is correct. Okay? Okay. Let's solve some example national questions. Okay. Sorry. 3, 4. Okay.